effortless garden goals, simple designs to elevate your outdoor space. In the world of garden design, achieving your dream outdoor space doesn't have to be a daunting task. With Uncomplicated Gardens, you can create stunning transformations that enhance the beauty of your home and provide a serene escape. Whether you're an experienced gardener or looking to dive into home gardening, these gardening tips and simple garden ideas will help you on your journey to a vibrant landscape design. Embrace minimalism. One of the most effective ways to achieve a cohesive outdoor space is to embrace minimalism. Uncomplicated Gardens focus on clean lines and a limited plant palette, allowing for a serene environment that feels both inviting and manageable. Consider incorporating a few key plants that thrive in your climate, paired with hardscaping elements like gravel paths or wooden decking. This not only simplifies maintenance but also adds a touch of elegance to your backyard makeover. Create defined zones. Transforming your garden into a series of defined zones can enhance its functionality and aesthetics. Think of your outdoor spaces as separate areas for relaxation, dining, or even a play zone for kids. Use simple garden ideas such as low hedges, decorative stones, or even planter boxes to delineate these areas. This approach not only adds depth to your landscape design but also makes it easier to manage each section of your garden. Opt for native plants. When planning your garden transformation, consider incorporating native plants that are well suited to your local climate and soil conditions. These plants are often easier to care for, requiring less water and maintenance than exotic varieties. By choosing native species, you can create a thriving green space that supports local wildlife and promotes biodiversity, all while simplifying your gardening routine. Integrate functional features. To elevate your outdoor spaces, think about integrating functional features that serve multiple purposes. For example, a garden bench can provide seating while also acting as a focal point. Raised garden beds can be both visually appealing and practical, making home gardening more accessible. Simple touches like a fire pit or an outdoor dining area can transform your backyard into an inviting gathering spot, enhancing your overall landscape design. Plan for the seasons. A successful garden design considers seasonal changes. Opt for plants that bloom at different times of the year to ensure your green spaces remain vibrant throughout the seasons. Incorporating evergreens and winter interest plants can maintain visual appeal even in the colder months. By planning ahead, you not only create a stunning outdoor environment but also simplify your gardening efforts year-round. Achieving your garden goals doesn't have to be complex. By embracing uncomplicated gardens, you can create an outdoor oasis that reflects your personality and enhances your home. With these gardening tips and simple garden ideas, your backyard makeover is just around the corner. Start your journey to a beautiful and functional garden today. Transforming your outdoor spaces into green havens can often seem daunting. However, with a focus on uncomplicated garden design and simple garden ideas, achieving a stunning garden transformation is within your grasp. Whether you are a seasoned gardener or a novice in home gardening, these gardening tips will guide you through the process of creating a serene and inviting landscape design. Smart layouts for effective landscaping. When it comes to landscape design, the layout is crucial. Start by mapping out your space to determine the best placement for pathways, seating areas, and flower beds. Incorporating straight lines and geometric shapes can bring an organized feel to your garden while making it easier to maintain. Consider raised beds for your urban vegetable garden, which not only add visual interest but also simplify the gardening process. Simple garden ideas for a backyard makeover. A backyard makeover doesn't have to involve costly renovations. Simple garden ideas, such as adding decorative stones, mulch, or gravel pathways, can significantly enhance the aesthetic of your outdoor space without overwhelming complexity. Additionally, incorporating elements like benches or trellises can create focal points that invite relaxation and conversation, making your garden a true extension of your home. Enhance your home gardening experience. Home gardening should be an enjoyable and rewarding experience. To simplify your gardening journey, consider implementing a structured watering schedule, utilizing drip irrigation, or incorporating self-watering containers. These strategies not only ease the burden of upkeep but also foster a thriving environment for your plants. Your path to a beautifully transformed garden. In conclusion, achieving your garden goals is entirely feasible through thoughtful planning and the application of uncomplicated designs. By embracing simple garden ideas and implementing effective gardening tips, you can easily transform your outdoor spaces into a lush paradise. Let your creativity flourish, and watch as your garden evolves into a stunning sanctuary that you and your loved ones can enjoy for years to come.